Hello, I am a magician and I'm going to show you some tricks. As you can see, this is a normal vase. My assistant is going to take out a ball and it's going to reappear again, okay? As you can see, I took off the lid. I'm going to take the ball and give it to my assistant. She has it now, okay? The ball is magically going to reappear back into the vase. La bonjour. It's back in the vase, as you can see. That's it, okay? I'm going to show you one last trick. It involves a rabbit growing, okay? There's nothing in my hat, as you can see, it's a magical hat. This rabbit is going to grow, okay? I'm going to place it into the hat. As you can see, I put it in. I'm going to say a few magic words. And it's going to grow. You can see the rabbit grew, as you can see. That's it for this week. I'm going to show you more magic next week. Okay?
Whoa, how did he do it, French Fry? Gee, I don't know. But please come back next week for more magic! Wee-hoo!